So welcome back. Now we'll start where we left previously. So now we'll start with the counting number of unique observations by columns. Unique value counts pd.data frame columns is equals to unique values. For v in list df dot columns dot values unique value counts dot loc v is equals to df v dot and unique now unique value counts. So we have this. Now finding the minimum value for each column. Minimum values pd dot data frame columns equals to columns is equals to we have minimum values here. Values. We'll put the square bracket first, then we'll put the bracket. Now for v in list, we have df dot column dot values. Now minimum values dot loc v is equals to df v dot minimum function for that minimum values. Okay, so we have column, we are having an error. Columns, instead we have to write the column. So we have that. Now finding the maximum value for each column. Maximum values is equals to pd dot data frame. Now columns is equals to maximum values for v in list df dot columns dot values. Maximum values dot loc v df v dot max. Now maximum, no indentation here, maximum values, we have this. Okay, so now we'll write our last code over here. That's joining all the compounded lists into one report. Okay, for that, it's a pretty easy one. You don't have to write a long code. You simply have to write the pd.concat present data counts. Missing data counts, unique value counts. Now minimum values, and not last, we have maximum values, and we'll cross down the square bracket. Now we'll write axis is equals to 1. So we have this. Now we'll move on to your turn. Can you create the dataset for the quality report of this? Mini challenge. We have this. Now we'll use that markdown to create a small document. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. Now in the next lecture we'll move on to graph a dataset, line plot.